We all love our cats like family, and let's be honest, when they look up at us with those big, innocent eyes while we're eating, it's almost impossible to say no. We think, what's the harm in one little bite? Or, he's just a cat. He'll be fine. But here's the terrifying truth. Your kitchen is actually full of hidden landmines. Many everyday human foods that are perfectly safe for us and even healthy for humans are actually toxic. And in some cases, instantly lethal to cats. Today, we're going deep into the science and revealing the 10 common human foods that could be secretly killing your cat. This isn't just a list, it's a guide to keeping your best friend alive. Stick around until the end, because some of these will absolutely shock you. First, let's talk about the silent killers hiding in almost every savory meal: onions and garlic. Whether they're raw, cooked, dehydrated, or even in powder form, they are a massive threat. These vegetables contain compounds called thiosulfates, which human bodies can process, but cats cannot. These compounds cause a cat's red blood cells to literally burst, leading to a condition called hemolytic anemia. The scary part? The symptoms, like pale gums and weakness, might not show up for several days, making it hard to link back to that piece of onion they ate from your pizza. Next is the one everyone fears: chocolate. Most people know it's bad for dogs, but it's actually much more dangerous for cats because of their smaller body weight. Chocolate contains theobromine and caffeine. These stimulants send a cat's heart and nervous system into a dangerous overdrive. Just a tiny piece of dark chocolate can lead to muscle tremors, seizures, and fatal heart arrhythmias. If your cat gets into your candy stash, it's an immediate emergency. Now, let's debunk a massive myth: milk and dairy. We grew up watching cartoons of cats happily lapping up bowls of milk, but science tells a different story. Most adult cats are actually lactose intolerant. Their bodies lack the enzyme needed to digest the sugar in milk. When you give them dairy, it sits in their gut and ferments, leading to painful bloating, severe diarrhea, and dangerous dehydration. It's not a treat, it's a recipe for a very sick pet. Even more mysterious and frightening are grapes and raisins. To this day, veterinarians don't know exactly what the toxin is, but we do know the result: sudden, acute kidney failure. For some cats, eating just 1 or 2 grapes can cause them to stop producing urine entirely within hours. There is no safe amount when it comes to grapes. Moving into the pantry, we have xylitol. This is an artificial sweetener found in sugar-free gum, candies, and even some natural peanut butters. In humans, it's fine. In cats, it triggers a massive, rapid release of insulin. This causes their blood sugar to crash to life-threatening levels, a condition called hypoglycemia. Within 30 minutes, a cat can start vomiting, lose coordination, and slip into a coma. Similarly, the caffeine in your morning coffee or tea is a potent poison for felines. While we need it to wake up, a cat's tiny heart cannot handle the stimulation. It can cause rapid breathing, heart palpitations, and permanent neurological damage. Always keep your mugs out of reach and never let them lick the foam off your latte. If you're a baker, listen closely. Raw yeast dough is a double threat. If a cat swallows a piece of unbaked dough, the warm environment of their stomach acts like an oven. The dough continues to rise, stretching their stomach to the point of pain or even rupture. But that's not all. As yeast ferments, it produces alcohol. This leads us to our next killer: alcohol. A cat's liver is not designed to process ethanol. Even a single tablespoon of whiskey or a few laps of beer can cause severe brain damage or respiratory failure. What looks like a funny, tipsy cat on social media is actually a cat suffering from acute poisoning. It is never, ever okay to let a pet consume alcohol. Finally, we have the treat trap. Many owners think canned tuna is the ultimate gift for a cat. While a tiny bit won't kill them, a steady diet of human-grade tuna leads to malnutrition because it lacks essential vitamins like taurine. Even worse is the fat trim from your steak or chicken. High-fat human foods can trigger pancreatitis, a life-threatening inflammation of the pancreas that causes intense pain, vomiting, and fever. Your cat's digestive system is a finely tuned machine. Don't throw a wrench in it with greasy scraps. The bond we share with our cats is built on trust. They trust us to provide for them, and sometimes, the best way to show love is by saying no. Your kitchen can be a dangerous place if you aren't vigilant. Keep these 10 items far away from reach, and if you ever suspect your cat has ingested something toxic, don't wait for symptoms to appear. Call your vet or an animal poison control center immediately. If this video helped you understand your cat better, please hit that like button and subscribe to your channel name for more science-backed pet care tips. Together, we can make sure our furry friends live long, healthy, and happy lives. Comment below, which of these foods surprised you the most?